Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys my very first Shop Miss A haul. It arrived in this mint green plastic bag that says supporting charities, cruelty-free makeup, $1 makeup and accessories. Let's open it together and see what's inside. There's another bag inside. This one says Miss A all over it and it's clear. You can see the products inside and it's not very well padded, so I'm surprised that this nail polish survived. Let's cut this one open and take everything out of the bag. I'm starting off with the AOA Studio Professional High Def Brush Set. This is a set that comes with 10 makeup brushes and in a beautiful black case. When I open it up, I can see each brush is individually packaged and it looks really nice. There's a slot for each of the brushes. As you can see, it has a netting that protects the actual bristles, and on the bottom side, it has a clear plastic. The brush is very soft and it's actually very dense too. They all say AOA Studio High Def Brush and it has the number of the brush. This one says F1 and USA right next to it. Here's another look at how dense the bristles are. I decided to buy this set of brushes because I saw Mia Maples here on YouTube talk about how well they work for her, so I wanted to give them a try. This one is F2. Next up is F3. F4, and the last of the large brushes is this one, F5, and it has a very pointed tip. I opened up the eye makeup brushes and noticed that I have E101, they're all numbered E101 through E105, but I'm missing E104 and they sent me 2 of E105. These are all the brushes together so you can see the different shapes. I did contact customer service and they responded really quickly and let me know that they could give me a store credit or give me a refund. I really love the case that it comes in so you can keep all your brushes neat and organized. I just realized that one of the things I ordered was this beautiful LA Colors Color Craze nail polish, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it now. This one is number 541 and it's called Candy Sprinkles. I had been looking for this polish at Dollar Tree, but I hadn't been able to find it. And I'm so glad I looked on this website and they had it, so I'm glad now I have it in my collection. It's a really pretty polish, and you can see on my right hand I applied very thin coats, so that's why it's more sheer, but on the left hand it's thicker and it's covered a lot better. So you can wear it both ways. You can apply more coats to make it really opaque or keep it sheer like the one on my right hand. They both look really pretty. The next 2 items I got are these 2 makeup blenders, and this is another product that I saw on Mia Maples' channel, and this is the one that she recommended, but I saw that they had this one too. It has a flat side, so I got it too because you can't beat that price, and the sale that they were having on Black Friday was awesome, so I got one of each, so I'll be trying both of these out. I want to open this one first and see how much it grows when I add water. Oh, that feels really soft, and it says that it's latex free. Completely submerge sponge into water and squeeze out excess. Dab the Paw sponge into your makeup. Apply to skin using a tapping motion starting at the center. Clean and air dry before your next use. You know what? Let's open them both up. You might as well test them both out. From this angle, they both look pretty much the same size. This one does still look a little bit bigger, but then when you turn it, you see that this one has the flat side. I like the way they smell. Let's go ahead and submerge them in the water and see how much they grow. I wonder why the water's getting murky. Wow, they grew a lot. Squeezing them underwater really made a difference. Wow, look at this. They grew significantly. Let's squeeze them and take the water out. Wow, look at that. They feel really, really spongy and soft. They're not really hard. They're bouncy, that's the word, which is gonna make application of makeup really easy. The next thing I bought is this AOA Studio Shea Butter Hand Cream. And I picked unscented because I have a lot of scented lotions, but I kind of like to have neutral one. Oh, this one is broken. The seal is broken. So it looks like it burst. Let's see, because this is the foil that covers the opening. It just looks like it burst in the center. That's weird. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's what happened. The seal was broken, but it's fine. Let's try it out. So it looks really soft. You can see how it came out of the container. It's really soft and not thick, somewhere in between, but it feels really nice. And it's definitely unscented, which is really nice. Absolutely no scent. I like the pretty packaging too. Hand Repair Cream, enriched with real shea butter and natural oils to nourish and hydrate hands and cuticles. And it's a perfect size to keep in your purse. It's 1 ounce. From the AOA Studio brand, I got this. It's a lip oil, and this one is called Oh Honey. It says that it's made with real honey, and the scent that I got is apple. Nourish your lips. Oh Honey lip oil nourishes and moisturizes lips while leaving them looking plump and glossy. These lip oils are infused with honey and smell delicious. Here's a list of ingredients just in case you're interested. Let's go ahead and open it. It's very light. I thought it was going to be glass, but it looks like it's plastic. Let's see. So I was looking at the reviews, and I guess they were right that the roller ball doesn't seem to move sometimes, and it's hard to apply the gloss. And apparently that's happening because I'm pressing it really hard and it's not dispensing the oil, which is unfortunate because I really wanted to try this. Yeah, see, it's really hard. I can kind of see that a little bit got on there, but like it doesn't roll. Like even though I'm trying to roll it with my finger really hard, it rolls just slightly. And I don't want to hurt my lips trying to apply this. Yeah, that's too bad. Wow, I really hurt my hand trying to make this work. So we'll just leave this one because it didn't work. I was actually able to get this one to work by putting my tweezers right between the roller ball and the plastic that's holding it together and just stretch it gently all the way around, and I was able to get the ball to have more space to move, so now it works really well. Moving on, let's try this one. It's an AOA Studio. This is a balm, Skin Rescue, nourishes and hydrates, seals in moisture. And I also got this one in the scent apple. I love that they have a variety of scents for all their products, which is really nice. You get to choose, or you can get one of each if you like, if you want to try them all. This one says a hydrating balm that helps soothe chapped lips and skin. Dense texture of balm helps to seal in moisture all day long. Dab a small amount of balm directly to dry lips, elbows, knees, or cuticles to condition. So that's really nice that you can use it all over. It's not just for your lips or your hands. You can use it on your skin. Again, the packaging is super cute. Okay, so this is a different dispenser, so it should work a lot better. Let's just squeeze it. Oh, look at that, how pretty. It's red. I wasn't expecting it to have color. Let's see. It feels nice on the lips. I love that I can also use it for my cuticles. You guys know I love applying stuff on my cuticles or on my fingers. Feels good. Another good one to keep in my purse. I know this is kind of random, but I saw this and I was really interested because it had really good reviews, and these are ultra thin pads. This is 100% organic cotton cover. No fragrances, premium absorbency, and it's hypoallergenic. It comes with 12 pads. So I wanted to kind of open one up and see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh wow, this looks really good quality. I was expecting it for some reason to be cheap, but it feels really good and very well padded. And I like that it has the little wings too here. And it's 100% cotton. So I'll leave a note here. Once I try these out, I'll let you guys know if they work well. They look really good. And obviously, the cleaner the ingredients, the better it's going to be, or the material that it's made of, the better it's going to be for you. So I'm excited to try these out. From the brand Kala, I got this hair conditioning mask. Hydrate and Nourish, Argan oil and flower extract infused. This is a 10-minute treatment, and it says that it's made in Korea. On the back it has instructions on how to use your mask, and I can't wait to try this one out. I hope I have good results. I want something that will moisturize my hair and make it feel soft. From the brand Claudia Stevens, I found this Fast and Easy Strengthener. It's a nail fix mix. Restores strength and resilience to weak, brittle nails. Helps prevent breaking and splitting. I'm not going to be able to use it right now because it says be sure nails are bare, clean, and dry. So mine, I just painted them, so I'm not going to try them out. But I'm definitely going to be doing a separate video just to share with you guys my experience trying this product out. It looks like it has a brush dispenser, so that's convenient. Let's just take a closer look at it. So this is what it looks like up close. This is the list of ingredients. And it does have a brush applicator tip. And you twist the bottom to dispense the product. But I'm not going to do that now because I'm not going to use it right now. So keep an eye out for a video coming up about this product. The last product that I purchased is this matte top coat. The brand is Shea. And it didn't really have good reviews. There were mixed reviews. Some people said that it worked fine for them. Other people said that it didn't work. And I can kind of see how that can happen because as you can see, it's separated. So I guess you have to shake it really well to make sure that the formula is working perfectly how it should. And all the ingredients are mixed together properly. So I'm gonna have to test this one out and let you guys know if it's good or not. As you know, I always use my Sally Hansen matte top coat, but I couldn't find the Wet n Wild, which I always have as a backup in my Dollar Tree. So I decided to start looking for a new one. So this was a good one to start testing out, and I'll let you guys know how well it works. This is what the brush looks like. It's really long, just a regular brush, and it's clear. And the top coat looks like it has a yellowish tint. So I'm curious to see if this will affect the polish that I wear underneath it. In my package, they also included this AOA Studio Lip Oil Gloss, and this one is aloe. And I'm wondering if maybe they included this because these aren't working as well, and this is also an oil, a lip oil. So I'm really glad that they included this. That was really nice. I'm not sure if that's why or if it was just a mistake that they added one in my package by mistake, but I'm glad that I'm gonna get the chance to try it out and see if maybe in this dispenser it works better. So yeah, this one is just like the little cream or the balm. So let's try it out. Oh wow, yeah, this one definitely works. It feels a little sticky and it has a strange scent. I can't figure out what it is. Maybe that's, I mean, I don't think aloe has a scent, but maybe that's what it is. I'm not sure actually. Now that I think of it, I don't think I've smelled anything that's aloe scented. I know products that have aloe in them, but it's supposed to be really good for your skin. No more dry lips. Luxurious lip oil that nourishes and hydrates your lips while adding a pop of shine. So I'm not really sure what's giving it this strange scent, but it smells different. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the products that I purchased at Shop Miss A. This was my first time shopping there and I had a lot of fun finding new things to try out. Let me know if you have any questions on any of the products that I shared with you guys, and leave a comment and let me know if you've ever purchased anything at Shop Miss A. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, you can do so by leaving a thumbs up and sharing a comment. Thank you so much for your support.